Hello students, for class 9 we are studying about motion. Today we shall see average speed, average velocity and velocity time graph. Let us see average speed. Average speed is total distance covered in unit time during a whole journey or for the observation period. Means if you have to find average speed, first see what distance is covered by the object, then divide it by the total time taken to complete the distance traveled. So mathematically we can write the formula average speed equal to total distance covered by total time taken. In this way, you will get the distance traveled in unit time for the whole journey. Now, average velocity. The same way, average velocity is total displacement covered by total time taken. For the same question, you may see that average speed will be always positive value, but average velocity may be positive, negative or zero, because displacement may be zero, may be positive, may be negative. So average velocity and average speed, their magnitude always cannot be equal. It might be equal or it may not be equal. Now next thing is acceleration. Acceleration, the rate of change in velocity, the rate of change of velocity in unit time is known as acceleration. Means in 1 second, our SI unit of time is second, so you have to see in per second what is the change in velocity. That is called acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. This we read as meter per second square. Here you have to write s to the power minus 2 meter per second square. Your formula for acceleration will be final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. Acceleration is a vector quantity which is represented by a small letter a. Sometimes acceleration may be negative. Negative acceleration is called retardation. Negative acceleration is called retardation. This happens when the velocity of the object decreases. Acceleration generally we see when the velocity increases. At that time we say acceleration, and when the velocity decreases it is termed as retardation. Retardation takes place when you apply brakes. No, if the object is moving without acceleration or zero means velocity is not changing, then it is called uniform velocity. If acceleration is always equal, then it is called uniform acceleration. Okay, now velocity time graph we shall see in our next class. Thank you.